Hi, Professor. This is Mansoor. This presentation is for the sampling technology Google Maps API with LAMP. I had to install LAMP, which is Linux, Apache, MySQL Server, and PHP. I did that in VirtualBox. The focus of this presentation was to develop a working Google Maps API integration, which takes the user's location, stores in a database, and pins that location based off another API found on an embedded map. Ensure all the hits on the website report in the database and a discussion about what issues I had, along with what example a developer would use this. First off, I'll start off with the example. To find a user's location is a very important feature that we have on a lot of our apps and web development. It starts off a quick example I can give you is something like Uber or Lyft, where it'll find the user's location along with the taxi driver's location, and furthermore, it'll figure out which ones are the closest ones to you. So let's get started. So I did have a lot of issues as well. I wasn't able to finish, not because of my motivation. However, I ran into a lot of issues and I'm still working them out, and I'll discuss them as we go along. So started with the VirtualBox, downloaded Ubuntu. Use this website from Google, adding a Google map with a marker to your website. And the code, as you can see, the HTML code. So how do you create a page, add a map with a marker, and get an API key? So that's all there. So I copy that into there. Really quickly, just to backtrack, install Apache, MySQL, PHP, and basically just ran those lines of code in the terminal. Moving along. So the first goal was to get all the user information, location, and browser, and all the features as you can see in one link that you provided. I used that code, and the issue I got is, I'll show you, I copied the code in there to run it. However, when I run it, it does not give me the actual location. It just tells me their web browser information. So that was one issue I was having. Now, I had to create an API key to put in the code, and I did that with Google. It's more code, and this is the loopback address. So first, there's two files that I'll be discussing. One is homework1.php, which is the one that would get the user's information. The second one is the Google map. Now with Google map, I was not able to actually, the error I got is the geolocation service failed. However, I know this is not a web browser issue that I was having, because if I go on my own web browser on my machine, I can locate my location. So it's something that's not working that should be working. So that's one issue I had. And the second issue I had was when I did run it, like I mentioned, it wouldn't give me all that information in the array that, as you can see here in the sample code, that I should have got. I'm not sure why exactly either. So what else do I have to share with you? Okay, so I can show you the hello world. So homework1, and index.html were the three files I used, and simply go to the loopback address. My Firefox here. So if I hit run this again, it doesn't tell me. It only tells me the information of the browser and the second file. So first, let me just hit the loopback address. So just to start off, so this is my Apache working. I created a link here, Google Map link, homework, Mansoor. As I click that, it'll take me to, like I said, the location. It doesn't determine my location. And again, it should have, because if I go on my regular computer and just hit maps.google.com, you will see where I'm located. And that's actually currently in Bayshore, New York. So those are some of the issues I had, and I'm looking forward to discussing them with you over email or phone, and maybe you can help me navigate this, and hopefully we can have success next time.